beautiful soul. Welcome. How are you today? So we are on clue 8 of our year-long mystery knit along. And if you have made it this far, give yourself a big, juicy hug because you are awesome. Your projects on Ravelry are absolutely stunning and you should be so proud of yourself for sticking with this long-term project. I really feel like working on long-term projects like this help to build self-confidence and patience. It's really super cool too to see all the different versions that everyone's coming up with. Some people are doing bright, some people are doing neutral. There's quite a few of you that are doing the suggested yarns we've been recommending each month. So it's just really fascinating to see all the different versions. So the clue for this month is the same stitch pattern as clue number 5. So if you need a refresher, we have a video on that. You can hop back and watch that. Just go ahead and switch your colors and make sure you're using the same needle size as you did then, so you're getting the same gauge as clue 5 and you'll be good to go. You started here with this beautiful little stitch pattern. It shifted into this next design and you continue to increase your blanket size, moving through these beautiful stitch patterns. Remember, you turned your corner, which was super exciting. Now you're on this beautiful design here. You can see on the bottom. I'm trying not to show you the next parts. Keep it a secret. So absolutely gorgeous so far. Alrighty, beautiful friend, I'm gonna hop off for today. Just wanted to check in really quickly and let you know what an amazing job you're doing. I'm gonna see you next month. Bye-bye.